Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play Underground on the CFT. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your game. If you have it already downloaded into your PC. If you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the right client. And if you don't even have the right client, you'll have to go and download this through your browser. Whatever browser you're using will be great. Of course, once you do that, once you open, of course, your browser, you can just go at the URL section and type download right client and download it. Of course, once it's downloaded, install it and open it up with the regular way or even through your desktop if you have an icon for it. Once it's downloaded and once it's opened, of course, you'll find yourself with this home screen or display screen. And here you'll find the games that is already installed into your PC, of course, relayed to the Riot games. So of course, if you have the teamfight access here, you can just go on the top. If you don't, you'll have to scroll down a bit until you find these old games. And from here, make sure to go and open this teamfight access. Click on it, and from here, you'll be able to install it, of course, on your PC through the League of Legends. And if you want to play it on your phone, you can install it on your iPhone through the App Store and as well on Android through the Google Play. Once you do that, you will be able to open the game up, and of course then you will have to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and create one. And once you do that, as we said in the beginning of the video, is you would like to play Underground on the TFT. So of course you will have, once you open the game, you have to go and find a game, and when you find a game, you will find yourself on a game like that. And of course here just it gets a better level. Of course here I'm playing alone. For you will have more like people on your game, not just alone. And of course if you want to play Underground, you will have to collect the champions of Underground. So let's just try here to get some Underground champions after this round finish. So let's just wait for it and I'm coming back to you. So here we finished. So let's just look for Underground. So that's gonna be our first Underground. Let's just get it in. And this is our second Underground. And as you can see now we have two Underground. Let's just look for another one. And here's our third Underground. So as you can see now I have the Underground. And now this trait will be activated. Once I lose or win, it will be stacked and I'm going to be good to go. As you can see now I'm playing the Underground and I'm good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.